This is my creamy Parmesan beef pasta, and when I tell you this is a crowd pleaser, it really is. This is my husband's top 3 of the things that I make on my Blackstone griddle, and there is a reason for it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get to cooking. So this is basically like a dump and stir meal here. It is super simple. I just got about 80-20 ground beef. I only did about a pound here. I don't need too much of it. It's just my husband and I tonight that's gonna be eating this. So I'm going to add some pre-chopped onions because I'm trying to make my life a bit easier, right? And I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Oil. How do you say it? Oil. I always get made fun of when I say that. Alrighty, we're gonna mix this up. We're gonna cut into this beef. All right, this is looking good already. So we're gonna let this beef cook down. I am just gonna simply use salt and pepper to season this. Just a little bit there. And pepper. Extra pepper. That's how I like it. And then we're gonna toss it one more time. And we're actually gonna add some garlic. Now I did garlic because I'm a busy mama today. And when I say dump and stir, this is really like a quick dump and stir meal. Now, probably about 2 more minutes, just until the beef is nice and crispy, and then we'll be back. Next, we're gonna add the Rotel. Now, this is what kind of spices up this dish a little bit. I did the Rotel with the green chilies in it, so I'm going to just add, you know what? Let's put the whole can on there, and then we're gonna toss it. Smells so good. All right. Now, I'm actually gonna move all this to the center here. And then I'm gonna add our pasta. Now I just did bowtie, I have it parboiled, which is basically halfway cooked through so that I can finish the rest of it on here. And then I'm going to do coconut milk. Hear me out, you can do heavy whipping cream, but the way to do it is coconut milk. Just trust me on this. I'm going to add, it comes out with this consistency, kind of like watery, thick. And then we're gonna do a little bit of this Parmesan. And then we're gonna mix it all together before it starts running away on us. As I'm cooking this down, you can already see that coconut milk starting to thicken, starting to reduce on here. And just kind of catch those sauces as they work their way through the griddle top here. We're gonna add a little bit more Parmesan cheese on top. Now I've already just bought a grated Parmesan. I'm also gonna add some shredded mozzarella cheese. This is just gonna add that extra pop of cheesiness flavor that we all love. And this is the time for the spinach. Now I love this part. I love when Presley, my 3-year-old, my oldest, she comes out and watches the spinach wilt. She loves this part. I like to do this towards the end just because that spinach wilts so fast. Really just needs about a minute on here, and this is done that fast. Look how beautiful that is. All those flavors incorporating here. Absolutely stunning. We're gonna let this cook for just about 30 more seconds until that spinach is nice and wilted, and then we're ready to plate. While everything is nice, incorporated, and cheesy, we're gonna go ahead and plate this bad boy. Oh, looks so good, so cheesy. I'm gonna try to use all of it on this plate. We can't leave any leftovers on the griddle top here. And we're gonna move it over. It's looking good here. We're gonna add some toppers to that. Some extra Parmesan, grated cheese on top, some green onion, and then last but certainly not least, we're gonna do a couple of dollops of Greek yogurt. You could totally do sour cream. Greek yogurt is just healthier in my opinion. It tastes better. And it is ready to eat. Literally my mouth is salivating right now. This is my husband's favorite, and there is a reason for it. It's kind of got a pop of spice from that Rotel. Cheesy. Get a little bit of that Greek yogurt. Here we go. Oh yeah, this is a weekly, y'all. I eat this all the time. It is so good. It's one of those things where if you are on the fly and you're like, listen, I gotta make dinner in 10 minutes, this is it. The family will love it, and it makes tons of it, so you'll have lots of leftovers for the week. and your husband or your wife will be very happy. Remember, just keep it quick, gotta keep it simple, and most importantly, you gotta keep it delicious. My name's Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers.